Hi guys, we're gonna install stereo system in Freightliner Cascadia. So first I need to take original stereo out. So to take the original, the factory stereo out, you need this kind of tool. It comes with the truck or like a car, whatever you're driving, and you can buy aftermarket too. It's just two of these small pieces. So you just gotta put these in here in those two holes on both sides, and just push it in, and then you can just pull it out, and this is quite easy. So there you go. So this is how original stereo comes out, so you can see, and there's latch at the back, so you click it in, take it out, antenna, take it out. So this is the original stereo, you just take it out, and now we need to put aftermarket stereo. So you need a kind of harness. So I bought this harness. They has like around 14 wires. So you can get this like from any store, or you can check online too. So you just plugged in. So there you go. So now I have a Kenwood stereo DX501. So basically the Kenwood comes with the original accessory. This is what their original accessory look like. So this goes inside the stereo. So what do we need to do? We just need to match just colors here and put it together. So this goes into stereo. So I'm gonna pause the video here, so and put all the wiring together, and then I started from there. So okay guys, so I put all the wiring together as we were discussing earlier video. So it takes time, so I don't want to make too longer videos, so I did everything here. So we attach all those wires matching with the colors. So this is a Freightliner commercial truck, so there are no steering wheel remote input and no mute button. So basically I leave those one blank, so I didn't attach to any of those. And so you just match the color. And now here I got the Kenwood DX501 KDC, sorry, KDC X501, that's what they call KDC. And now this stereo comes with a USB input and a Bluetooth. So you have a microphone input and auxiliary, everything at the back. So what you gotta do, you gotta bring everything at the front so you can use it whenever you want to use, right? So I have a small pocket here in a truck, so I'm using this small pocket, so I put the hole there. So I'm gonna bring all those wiring through there, so I keep it here whenever I need it, so I can use them. If you don't have a space here, you can always bring a wire along with this side, or like any of these sides, right? So let's just do a connection. So we go with the antenna wire. So here you go, your antenna wire is done. And now this is our main connection. So basically I just leave those open. So I put this here, and to make this a little organized, so we can always put together and tape it. So I'm just gonna do this. So sorry, my bad. So there you go. So we put everything together. To make a little more organizer. So now fully organized, all wires good. So let's take a stereo back and give power code to the stereo. So we got installed here. There you go. And you can drag these all wires back. But before I do that, I need to bring this USB and antenna wire to front. So I'm just gonna do that. So I take it in. Oh, I have to. Okay, I'm gonna pause it a little bit because I gotta make a little hole more bigger. So let me pause this and I make a hole and then I come back to you guys. Okay guys, so I bring both wires at the front. This is for the USB and this is a small little microphone to use the Bluetooth connection. I leave the auxiliary wire in there because I'm not using anything with auxiliary wire, so I just leave that there. So now we gotta put everything back. So I take everything back on spot and this one goes here, bring it up here. So let me take one by one. There you go. So these are with stereo are installed, so let's give it power. So here you guys, you can see actually the power came, so I need to set up all the settings. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel. And it's quite cold when I was working because I turned off the power, so my hand is shivering too. So if you have any question, you can ask me. I'm not a professional technician, I just installed myself, so I think I'm working fine. Everything I can see everything, like all powers on. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good day.